Do you know how to rewrite a logarithmic form to exponential form? That's what we're learning in today's lesson. The logarithmic form log base b of y equals x is equivalent to b to the power of x is equal to y. The base here should be greater than 0 and not equal to 1, and y should be greater than 0 or positive. The logarithmic form log base b of y equals x means b to the power of x is equal to y. And that is the equivalent exponential form of this logarithmic form. Here are the 5 examples. Rewrite the following in exponential form. Give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. Question 1. Log base 2 of 8 equals 3. For this logarithmic form, 2 is the base, 8 is the y, and 3 is the x. So writing this in exponential form, our base is 2, our x is 3, that's the power, equals the value of y, and that's 8. And that is correct because 2 to the third power is equal to 8. Question 2. Log base 5 of 25 equals 2. This means our b is 5, our y is 25, and x is 2. Writing this in exponential form, our base is 5 to the power of x, that's 2, is equal to y, which is 25. And of course, 5 squared is equal to 25. Question number 3. Log 100 is equal to 2. If there's no indicated base, that means that's always base 10. So 10 is the b value, 100 is your y, and 2 is the x. Writing this in exponential form, our base is 10. So 10 to the what power gives you 100. So we have 10 to the power of 2 is equal to 100. Question 4. Log base 9 of 3 is equal to 1/2. 9 is the b value, 3 is the y value, and 1/2 is x. Writing this in exponential form, our base is 9. 9 to the power of x, that's 1/2, is equal to the y, which is 3. And that is correct because 9 to the power of 1/2 means square root of 9, and that is of course equal to 3. So 9 to the power of 1/2 equals 3 is the equivalent exponential form. Question 5. Log base 4 of 1 over 16 equals negative 2. So 4 is the base b, 1/16 is our y, and negative 2 is x. Writing this in exponential form, our base is 4, the exponent is negative 2, equals our y value is 1 over 16. And that is correct because 4 to the power of negative 2 using the negative exponent rule means 1 over 4 squared, and that is 1 over 16. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.